Today I introduce my sisters, the Tim neck style shirt. There's a small neck, long and puffy hands, and put a back in a fluffy dress. In this dress, there is a spread out ha sisters ha. Here are the samples I'm going to make today. Let's design these patterns. I'll need to prepare a shoulder measurement, neck measurement here, chest measurement, waist measurement, buttock measurement, waist length and hip length. These measurements is that I have video clip tutorial, let you measure. Each of you will have different measurements. So I measured. I will apply it to the recipe I shared. The following day. First, I will wear a long shirt. This dress I will wear 60. Then you'll take a brick line. Let me leave the button in here for the year of gasoline. And then we build a perpendicular line. Then from this road you will cross the shoulder. Dividing by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I took a paragraph of 16. Then down to 4. Divided by 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I connected in. If I lower my chest, I'll divide it by 5 plus cho. 280 divided by 5 plus 2 is 18. I put the ruler down from point 18. Make a perpendicular line. Then I'm going to divide the chest by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I got 22 from here. Then I'll lower my waist to 35. Make a perpendicular line. Then I'll get my waist back. Divide by 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is 18. From here I got 18. I take my hips by my hips. Divide by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. I took it from here and then I connected it. 2 gasoline. Then you build a perpendicular line. I step back into the gas and split it in half. Split in 2 again. This neck is the neck. It's round and Tim. Here you go, back to gas. I built this square ruler. Then you can take this root potion. This point is 6. 6 gasoline from here to here. And then this part, you're going to go down to Tim's neck. And here we will have a part. Her legs according to this part of the heart. I'm going to cut off this leg. And then after, we can do it for the body first. I'll continue with the body. I'll draw the body next to the red line. Then it's 2 o'clock and you'll be 7. Reduce to 1. And out 1. Then she, later, you will also go this way. 2. Then I'll also have a piece of gasoline in my neck. And now I'm going to start cutting Arabic. And this Arab of his share is unsoon. You have to cut the seams. If you cut on the fabric, you need a seam. On paper, I have nothing. And this shirt, ladies, sewing on the fabric is silk. If the fabric is soft, it will be beautiful, either cut or chiffon. And then after we cut the day, first, you will pack this. Then this will be the body after you will reduce. This part is 1 centimeter gasoline. This is the back body. Later, the sisters multiply this cloth is folded in half. Then came first, you will line this road. Here's a gasoline. Then the neighbors go to floors. And then, after you're done, we're done. I'm going to cut Tim's neck. This way. Here comes the part. Hold her. Then you cut this way across. And then we'll go around the armpit. Follow the blue line. Then we'll go sideways. Follow the blue line. Then here's my front towel. Before that, you will have to bodies, because we'll have a way. Button push button. And after we've painted the body, and then I'm going to start designing for the arm. Sleeve. Here, you will measure for the armpit ring on your hand. Here I measure the armpit circumference as 20. I can see that the back line here is 21. And this neck, you're going to cut it. Cut this neck. And if you want to, you can make the neck like the leg of the shirt neck. Or I'll cut this directly on top of my shirt. Then, after that, we will also cut this neck. And now I'm going to draw for the hand. This hand, it will have a swelling below ha. Let's make a perpendicular line. You will measure from up and down here with a segment of the chest. Divide by 10 plus by 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5, we get 13. I measure from top to bottom 13. And then we build a perpendicular line. Then you'll take 2 plus 20. So that's equal to 4. 1, 2 is equal to 20.5. And then I'm going to take it to 105. I split it in 2. Then you're going down 1 and up 2. And then we build a perpendicular line down. Then we'll determine the length of the hand and I'll cut a manset 5 petrol. The length of this manset. Over here, it's going to be the wrist. Divide by 2 with your hand. Then you will be able to draw this part. Then you'll cut this part off. So this is the shirt and the arm. I just finished designing it. As you can see, this is my shirt. This is the back body. And this will be the front body. Here's the whole body, the Arabic part of the shirt. Take a good look at the Arabs. This is the entire Arabic part of the shirt. Then, after we're done designing, then we'll design the dress. This dress is a wide open leather skirt. And we're going to cut the fabric for this dress. You will take the length of the dress. The length of this dress is 75. Then we determine a line across the waist. Then this part of the waist you will take is the waist divided. 4 you add 2 to 64 divided by 4 plus 2, you get 18. You took a paragraph that was 18. Then I'll take the lower part. Lower your hips. My measurement is that I am 18. Then I'll take it by the side. Divide by 4 sisters plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1, we get 2. I took 2 and connected these two. Then you'll go to the ara section. Is that we're going to get the dress? Then this tongue is here. The dress I'm cutting is 32. If you want to get bigger, we'll pull. This part A is wider. Then we'll get the big skirt. It's split into here. And here you'll get the back. Then now I'm going to draw for the dress. Before. Then we'll continue for the back skirt. In the back skirt, you also take the waist with the body. From this point you go up. To gasoline I built a square ruler. When you are finished with this part, you will adjust. He came here so I could hold his back. And the horizontal part of the hip. Then it's going to raw here is a gasoline. Then we'll cut like we always share. The blue line is yours. Body after. Go this way. The previous color is the line. Red goes this way of the front body. Then we just finished sharing the A. Skirt part ha. And this dress, you will wear this dress. Cut it on the cloth. If I cut it on a cloth, it will have a beautiful charm. And if you cut it on a straight cloth, it can't shake. If you see this part, it's too little. You can cut this part up. I expanded the part. You can also take off your dress below raw. I'll towel it later and I'll cut this way in. Before the towel, you will leave this road. This is the part of my dress. Here's the dress and the collar. That's a whole dress and a guy's neck. Thank you for following us. Welcome and see you later.